Hey dudes, what's up? It's Epic Dudes here, just to let you know there is a new intro, and I'm just gonna show it to you right now. You got to Just for all the haters out there, this is not a video because I want to show the intro. It's just the person who made it, I can thank so much. Go subscribe to Dynamic Gamer 88 right now. He spent so long on that, and I am so appreciative because he spent all his time on an intro and he didn't put his main things that he had to do first. So I'm just thanking Dynamic Gamer 88 so much. Go subscribe to him now. Go like all his videos. He does amazing Call of Duty videos, Advanced Warfare. He's just amazing, and I can't thank him enough. I just can't thank him enough for that intro. That intro was amazing. Thank you so much, Dynamic Gamer 88. And yeah, so that's going to be my new intro from now on. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it for that today. Bye!